one of the growing smart accessory companies, Gizmore, has just launched a number of goods. I have tested a few of the company's smartwatches, and they have made an effort to focus on quality. The Blaze Max smartwatch has been announced by Gizmore. The business already has a portfolio in the low-cost wristwatch category, and is now introducing the Blaze Max, which features a 1.85-inch edge-to-edge curved IPS display, and a higher screen-to-body ratio. The smartwatch has a battery life of 15 days on a single charge. The smartwatch boasts a brightness of 450 nits and an always-on display function. Gizmore Blaze Max is the company's most recent smartwatch to hit the Indian market. It is a low-cost smartwatch that fitness fanatics can purchase. The unique feature of this new smartwatch is its large display. In addition, the smartwatch has a good battery life. The smartwatch has various health functions because it was developed with the user's health in mind. It can also track your sleep to determine whether or not you are getting enough sleep. Let's take a look at the smartwatch's full specifications and price in India. The Gizmore Blaze Max comes with a slew of health and fitness trackers to assist customers live healthier lives. The Gizmore Blaze Max's numerous sports modes helps users to keep track of their workouts. It also integrates with the JYOU PRO Health Suit, allowing users to monitor their step count, SpO2 level, heart rate, calorie burn, hydration alert, period tracker, guided breathing and stress management, and sleep monitor. The smartwatch has an IP67 rating, making it an excellent workout partner. On the main page, users may also view the weather, including the air quality index. Gizmore Blaze Max has built-in games and a calculator. Its user-friendly split-screen features enable users to multitask like a pro. It also supports Hindi, which makes it easier to use. The Gizmore Blaze Max has a Bluetooth calling capability and BT music that allows users to accept and reject calls from the watch itself and communicate with their loved ones. It includes call mute, unmute, call switch to phone, volume control on the watch, and a dedicated speaker for call clarity. The smartwatch also supports AI-based voice assistance commands, making it extremely user-friendly. Gizmore Blaze Max is packed with features and has a 15-day battery life on a single charge. The smartwatch will come in 3 different colors: black, burgundy, and gray. The latest smartwatch from Gizmore also offers numerous watch faces to accommodate the preferences of all users. Starting January 16, 2023, the Blaze Max will be available for 1199 rupees on Flipkart. Gizmore is also taking part in Flipkart's Republic Day sale, where his whole smartwatch lineup will be available at discounted prices. The Gizmore smartwatch has a good appearance all around. The strap is constructed of high-quality silicone, and it fits perfectly. Definitely catches the eye. Additionally, you may acquire everything with the help of the watch, without having to take out your phone. With simply a gadget on your wrist, you can check your alerts, calls, health tracking, and much more. Additionally, because the watch is light and won't bother you while you sleep, wearing it is incredibly comfortable. Thank you for watching this video. Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and see you soon.